Hello and welcome to another update video about Doge. We see some further downside selling pressure. That was not necessarily a surprise given that this here was seen as some kind of a triangle pattern with one more low to come. However, we've now broken below initial support and it's stretching a bit lower, which again is okay. We'll see if the market can find support at one of these lines. We'll talk about that in this video. Both counts or all counts still valid. 1 second. Just shifted that accidentally. So let me take you through the structures here that we discussed in previous videos. One scenario is the yellow one, which I actually prefer, but it's becoming increasingly unlikely due to the failure to hold above the 33.3 cent level. In this scenario, we have wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 to the downside, bottomed here on the 13th of January. The third wave is an ABC structure, so the A wave likely topped on the 18th, that was around 43 cents. We saw that B wave, which would be an ABC structure itself. This is still unfolding. And then there could be a C wave of 3, then a wave 4, then a wave 5. So the current B wave pullback in this scenario would still be unfolding. Earlier today, shared that on Discord. We were watching for potentially one more low, which is unfolding, but it's not found support yet. And it's going down quite deep, even for a B wave, right? So in this scenario, what we were tracking was an initial A wave down, a B wave rally, and then the C wave down. So we didn't really talk about this microstructure in the last video. I just shared it on Discord today. There were initial signs that this here would be a triangle with a fifth wave down, still probably missing, because in the C wave we have wave 1, 2, 3, wave 4 as an A, B, C, D, E, and now it's just in the last leg down. So this is going to be interesting now. Can the market generate an upside reversal from here before invalidating the yellow count? It's already quite likely we will see invalidation, but then I have to say, B waves sometimes don't care about fib levels so much. So if it's a B wave pullback like this one, it can be deep. You know, B waves can overshoot, rarely to the downside though, but they do it. And it would take a break below the end, above the end of the triangle to suggest a reversal in wave C to the upside has started. And that would be a break above the last swing high at 35.5 cents. Obviously, this is a discussion around the microstructure. Really large, nothing significant happened yet. The white count is possible, which I don't like so much, but is definitely becoming more likely. And in this case, we have a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's a 5-wave move up. Why do I not like this one? Because wave 4 was a bit too deep. But then the move down would be an A, B, C. So it's the same count essentially. But the wave 2 could move a little bit lower than the yellow B wave, okay? So if we break below the red line, it might be a larger wave 2. Or, and that's the third count, wave 4 is still unfolding. Which, however, we only know should the market break below the 20th of December low at 26.5 cents. So these are the three scenarios. In all of them, the correction isn't finished yet. Whereas in the yellow count, it actually should be finished now. So if the market doesn't turn around here, it's at least white. And below the 26.3 cent level, it's green, but needs to hold, probably 24 cents to hold that level. But this is still the main support down here, right? Between 24, 25 cents and 28 cents. This is still the stable element on the chart, which has been with us now for more than a month. It's still holding, and there's no sign at the moment it wants to break. The next support levels we can watch are the trend line. Yellow trend line of this potential diagonal. It's located around 31.5 cents. And the red line is the invalidation point of the yellow count at around 31 cents. These are the key parameters, so that gives you key support, invalidation points, as well as the reversal signal that is still outstanding. That's the update about Doge. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.